Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to earn $200 per day in side hustle using AI ChatGPT. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Starting an AI-generated side hustle using ChatGPT is an excellent opportunity to leverage the power of language models for generating content. With ChatGPT, you can create content from product descriptions and blog articles to creative writing and news summaries. You can automate the content creation process and save time and effort. It provides a convenient way to generate high-quality text that mimics human writing, allowing you to produce engaging and informative content for your audience. To start, the first step is to understand the concept and functionality of AI-generated content website. An AI-generated content website involves building a vlog where you upload content created using AI. Your website can attract organic traffic from search engines like Google by targeting specific search terms within the articles. This, in turn, creates opportunities to monetize your website through various methods and generate income. Let me provide some examples to give you a clear idea of what a content website entails. These examples will help illustrate the appearance and structure of a content website. There are several popular methods for generating income from a website. One effective way is placing ads on your website, and Google AdSense is a popular advertising platform. With AdSense, you can place banners or display ads on your website. When visitors click on these ads, you earn a portion of the advertising revenue. This passive income stream can grow as your website's traffic increases. Another way to generate income from your website is by selling your products or services. Whether it's a digital or physical product, having a reliable source of traffic and attention on your website allows you to promote and sell whatever you offer. With a growing audience and a platform to showcase your products, you have the flexibility to pursue various sales strategies and monetize your website effectively. Another way to generate income, if you prefer not to sell your products or services, is through affiliate marketing. This involves placing various affiliate links on your website. When a visitor reads one of your articles and clicks on an affiliate link to make a purchase, you can earn a commission from the resulting order. Affiliate marketing allows you to monetize your website by strategically promoting relevant products or services by leveraging your audience's interests and purchasing behavior. This side hustle offers endless possibilities for making money, making it an ideal choice for beginners. One of the advantages is that you don't need to show your face on camera or use your voice, allowing for anonymity if desired. You can also leverage the power of ChatGPT and AI bots to enhance and automate the content creation process. These tools enable you to generate high-quality content and engage with your audience effectively, creating a dynamic and interactive experience on your website. The flexibility and scalability of this side hustle make it an attractive option for those starting out in the online business world. Step 2 is you need to choose a profitable niche. Deciding on a profitable niche is a critical step in the process. It's essential to carefully select a niche that offers profit potential. Consider market demand, profit opportunities such as advertising rates and affiliate commissions, aligning with your interests and knowledge, evaluating competition, and ensuring long-term viability. By balancing profitability and a personal passion, you can lay a strong foundation for your AI-generated content website. Regarding profitable niches, here are several examples for you to consider. Online business. Writing articles related to online business can be lucrative due to a higher advertising rates and potential affiliate commissions. With a wide range of topics like entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and e-commerce, you can attract an audience interested in making money online. Tech reviews. Reviewing the latest gadgets and technology products can generate substantial income through affiliate commissions. As there is high interest in these products, your articles have the potential to reach a larger audience, increasing your earning potential. Cryptocurrency. The growing interest in cryptocurrency presents an opportunity to create content around the latest updates and news in the crypto market. As more people search for crypto-related information, you can monetize your website effectively given the financial nature of the niche. Personal finance. Providing information on managing money and offering tips on personal finance can be highly profitable. Many products and services, such as investing platforms and financial tools, cater to this audience, allowing for significant income potential. Social media. Given the daily popularity and usage of social media platforms, creating content related to trends, strategies, and marketing techniques can attract a substantial audience. This in turn opens doors for various monetization opportunities. Remember, targeting topics that align with active search interests makes it easier for your AI-generated content to be discovered. This, coupled with the availability of monetization options, allows for a smoother path to generating income. Remember that while these niches offer potential profitability, thorough research and understanding of the market are crucial for long-term success. While AI can assist you in building the website and generating the content, having a foundational understanding of the chosen niche is essential. This knowledge enables you to ensure the accuracy and quality of the AI-generated articles. Building your website on a solid foundation of accurate information is crucial for establishing credibility and maintaining the trust of your audience. Having a genuine interest and knowledge of your niche, you can effectively review and verify AI-generated content to ensure its accuracy and relevance. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Moving on to step 3. You now have to begin the building process. To build your website, you have various platforms such as Wix and Squarespace. However, the first step is to acquire hosting services which enable your website to be accessible online. Hosting serves as the foundation for your website, enabling you to proceed with designing and customizing it according to your preferences. I recommend options such as Bluehost or Hostinger when selecting a hosting platform. These platforms are often cost-effective, making them a good choice for beginners looking to get started. In Hostinger, for example, you can sign up for a monthly plan including a free domain for just a couple of dollars. They also provide a user-friendly website with a drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily customize your website without needing extensive coding knowledge. Hostinger offers a variety of professionally designed templates across different categories, including business, portfolio, blog, e-commerce, and more. These templates are designed to be responsive, meaning they will adapt to different screen sizes and devices, ensuring a seamless user experience. You can browse their template library, select a design that aligns with your website's goals and aesthetics, and customize it to suit your needs. Hostinger also allows you to add or modify sections, change colors and fonts, upload images and media, and create a visually appealing website. It's worth mentioning that while Hostinger provides a range of templates, you can also create a custom design if you prefer a more unique look for your website. After choosing a website builder or hosting provider, step 4 is the crucial aspect to consider. Familiarize yourself and understand the writing process. To effectively produce articles using AI-powered tools, it's essential to understand the tools available, such as ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful writing tool that can generate responses to questions or prompts within seconds. You can leverage ChatGPT to create blog articles by asking specific questions or seeking assistance developing ideas. For instance, if you're starting a new blog in the social media niche and need article ideas, you can approach ChatGPT and ask a question. Based on the input, ChatGPT will then generate suggestions and recommendations for potential article topics. Utilizing ChatGPT as a writing tool empowers you to streamline the content creation process, enabling you to generate engaging and informative articles for your website. It provides a valuable resource for brainstorming ideas, researching topics, and receiving prompt responses, ultimately enhancing your productivity and efficiency as a content creator. You can easily leverage ChatGPT to generate article ideas for your content website. Approach ChatGPT and ask for specific concepts. Upon receiving the suggestions, you can choose any of them to build your first blog article. A friendly tip for your future Google-approved articles. It is recommended to have articles of a minimum of 1,000 or 1,500 words. Striking the right balance between providing good content for readers and meeting Google's requirements is crucial. You can achieve higher search engine rankings by producing high-quality, informative articles that align with Google's guidelines. Another crucial aspect of the writing process is ensuring that you don't simply copy and paste the article generated by ChatGPT onto your website. Doing so can risk your website being penalized and experience a drop in rankings. To avoid this, it is recommended to use an AI plagiarism checker to assess the uniqueness of the content before publishing. A recommended tool for this purpose is originality.ai. It offers a simple process. You can paste the article you're working on into the tool and it will provide an AI detection score and a plagiarism score. Using this tool, you can determine if further modifications and sentence restructuring are necessary to increase the originality of the content. It's important to remember that if you rely on ChatGPT to generate your articles, you'll still need to put in the effort to restructure and refine the content to ensure coherence and to avoid Google detecting the use of AI in the initial article creation process. And the last step entails recognizing that this is not a shortcut to instant wealth. It's vital to understand that building an AI-generated content website requires dedication, patience, and a long-term perspective. This journey requires consistent effort and a focus on building a sustainable and successful online business rather than expecting immediate financial gains. It's essential to realize that building a successful website requires time, energy, and effort. You need to invest in understanding the process of creating a well-designed website, mastering AI bots for article writing, and optimizing your content for Google rankings. Transitioning from zero to earning your first bucks involves a step-by-step process that is definitely achievable, but won't happen overnight. Starting a content website is one of the best online business opportunities available. Its digital nature eliminates physical inventory, allowing you to generate passive income. By fully grasping and implementing the 5 steps in this video, you will position yourself on a promising path toward earning $200 per day with your AI-generated content website. It's a rewarding journey, but requires a comprehensive understanding and dedicated execution to succeed. Remember, this is not a shortcut to instant wealth. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to the ever-changing online landscape. However, with the right approach and commitment, you can create a sustainable source of passive income and enjoy the benefits of running a digital business. So, take the knowledge and insights shared in this video and apply them to your own journey. Keep learning, experimenting, and refining your strategies as you work towards achieving your financial goals. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.